Greetings from Florida. Today we're working on a 97 to 05 Buick Century, Olds Intrigue, Buick Regal, power window regulator. This is the left rear. Driver's back seat. Popping that panel off, that little panel there, easy enough. Let's pop out the switch, unplug it. This is quite an easy repair. You've got two bolts there. They're either 10 millimeter or Torx 30s. I'm gonna pop that off carefully because as you can see, the plastic's not what it used to be. Just get that out of the way. Taking out the extra clips. And then bring the glass down far enough to get to the two 10 millimeter bolts that hold the bracket to the glass. Then you can take out the 7 10 millimeter bolts that go all around. Let's put the glass back up, put a suction cup on it to hold it in place. Take out the broken one. And then I went to put in the new one. And the new one I had was actually a left front. So I had to kind of pause this in the middle, go get the left rear for the customer, and come back. And here's where I had to come back. I'll clean this up a little bit for you. And I'm back. So here I'm taking the panel back off again, now that I have the correct regulator. I had put a drill bit in there to hold the glass in place until I had a chance to get the correct regulator. Once again, taking up 10 millimeter bolts. I guess I could have moved that plastic out of the way, but this is all pretty self-explanatory. You've got 7 10 millimeter bolts to take out. Oh, there we go. And this time I have the correct regulator.